guys. $2 bonus on road to win. Fun fact, this bank and this particular machine was exactly the Ingots machine I won $1,000 on. And they've switched them out. So, here we go. Come on, give me something good. Oh, I missed the aces. You need action, you need some, oh, retrigger. Oh, come on, stop. Oh my God, come on. Oh, fella. 36 bucks. Not bad. All right, let's do it again, please. Oh, I missed it. Nines? No. No, I missed it again. Come on, one more action stack. There we go. Fill them up with tens. Okay, come on, tens. Oh, more tens. Oh, no tens. $5. Last one. Oh, tens again. 10. Yes. 10. Yes. 10. Oh. One more 10. I don't see any tens. There it is. $20. Hey, $67 bonus. Boom, chicken again. Look at this line hit. $135 line hit. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm gonna hit the button. $135 line hit. How you doing? Road to win. I like your face. My friends, we put in that fresh 100 after lucky count. I haven't even, where I am, and I haven't even been here, 10 minutes on this machine, and I just got a 200, what is it? I'm gonna hit the button. $225 line hit. All right, we're cashing out 300 now. Cashing out 300 now at him. All right, another new 100 coming up. There we go, my friends. Next 100 right next to the machine I was on. We're going 50 free games on Sparkling Nightlife. This is amazing. Him again. Still at him. Oh. $1.25 bet this time. Let's see how we do with the 50 spins. Oops. Oh, something huge. Something huge. Come on. No. I heard cocktails. I need a drink. She'll come around. Oh. Come on now. Let's line up something in the front. Ooh, a wild in the front would be amazing. Oh. Come on. Only $14 so far. Drinks. Come on. Oh, crap. Come on, line up something in the front. Oh, there we go. Come on, baby. This is a pretty terrible bonus so far. $20. Still have 25 spins. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Oh. Wow. 30 games and we've done $19. Oh no. 5 spins. I'll take 5. Back to 24. Still only made $20, which is kind of crazy, guys. Come on. Oh no. Oh no. That was dirty. Oh yeah. Come on. Get it. Oh, I hate you. No, that was the first time it did that, and it didn't pay out much. Ooh, kings. I would love it with the dollar signs or bonus again. Oh, not fair. Oh, I saw that. I saw that. This is not looking good. $30. Oh, come on. Come on. One more. Oh, shoot. Please. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, no. Oh, my God. How do I miss that? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That would have been amazing. Oh, God. Oh, that sucks. Last spin, the worst bonus ever. I hate you. Here we go, guys. This 100's not going well. We moved over from sparkling nightlife, and we went to Lotus Land next door. Come on. Oh, one more. Oh, we need those re-triggers. Come on, re-trigger. Oh, wilds and re-triggers, please. One more, please. Oh, no. Come on, you can do it. One more. Oh my goodness. 3 games left. Come on, one more. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, they're up there. Look at that. Here we go, guys. Max bet bonus. Lotus Land is max bet 250. Come on. Oh, ladies. Oh, yes. Come on. 4, 5. Oh my God, I got it. How much is that? How much? $786. That's how I do it. Guys, we cashed out 400 something from Lucky Count. We cashed out 300 something from the machine right next to this. Then we did poorly on Sparkling Light, and then we did this. This is amazing. Where's the 5X? If I had the 5X, that was a hand pay. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Nice to take, huh?
Yeah. That is pretty sexy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If that was a 5X, guys, that was a hand pay. Yeah, boom shakalaka. Oh my God, guys. What is going on with my luck at this casino lately? It's amazing. All right, I'm gonna hit the button. We still have 6 games. Can we get a hand pay? Oh! Oh, come on, re-trigger for me. Oh, re-trigger for me. Come on. Come on, re-trigger, baby, re-trigger. Oh! Come on, 3, 4. Oh, $6. Get out of here. Re-trigger. Oh, one more. Yeah, baby. Oh my God, we might get a hand pay. Oh my goodness. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, baby. Come on. Oh, come on. All right, re-trigger again right now. No? Okay. Re-trigger. Oh, dirty. Come on. Oh. 4 time? No. 2 games left. We need a re-trigger. 819. Last spin, guys. Last spin. Come on. Oh, 3X. Oh, $820, guys. Boom. Shakalaka. $820 on 250. I'm the best in the world. We're at M still. I'm going to catch up. Hold on. Let's do this one, too. You know what? We are, $1,500 or so. I will count all my cash in a moment. See you guys. All right, guys. Here it is. We are walking out with that plus $60 of our original money. Not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. I will see you next time. Bye-bye, boom shakalaka.
Vegas, baby. Brighter than those crazy lights. Harder than those desert nights. I knew what I had to do. Vegas, baby. I gambled on